EDUC 633, Final Thoughts. As part of this course, we had to come up with an educational online assignment to create a lesson that someone could take online to do a specific task. My group chose Google Classroom. Throughout this process, there's a couple of things that I learned that I'd like to share. And number one thought is that whenever you have a group project, it is essential to have people that you can depend on to do their part. I was very fortunate to have 3 other individuals that were motivated and driven to get the assignment done, not only on time, but to have it done well. Having those alliances amongst ourselves and being willing to do each one of us a little bit to make sure that the whole can have success was very beneficial. I'm very thankful for that. The second thing is whenever you endeavor to create something like this, you have to have a long-term vision. You have to have a big picture mentality of what exactly you want to accomplish. And once you've got that, then you have to come up with the objectives of what you want to learn and how you want to learn them. I've been a teacher for a long time, and objectives have always been something that you put up on the board so the students know where you're going for the day or for the week or things such as that. But I've never really looked at them as the roadmap for planning. Usually I had a big picture idea of what I wanted to do, and I created it, and then I found the objectives thereafter. But I've learned in this lesson the objectives are really the roadmap for accomplishing the task in front of us. By doing the objectives up front and then developing the lesson from them, so much more can be accomplished. I did learn quite a bit. I did learn that doing things on your own sometimes can be a little bit easier, but doing things as a group, we can accomplish more. Very fortunate to have had a great group that helped me focus and learn on the objectives and be better prepared for what the future holds.